Hi, this is Dr. Christopher Terry. I'm a professor of psychology at Elmira College, and I'm also the chair of the Social and Behavioral Sciences Division. The purpose of this video is to just tell you a little bit about some of the programs in that area. If we start with history, for example, we have a major in history where you can take courses related to American, European, and Asian history, focusing in one of those areas if you're most interested in one of those areas. But we also have related programs in American Studies where you can actually focus more on American culture, from popular culture to food and cuisine to art in the United States and how that's contributed to the history of our country. We also have a program in social studies, which is the area that most of our education majors major in if they're interested in history but want to become a classroom teacher. And so what you'll notice in the social and behavioral sciences is that we have a related set of programs in several different areas. History, American studies, and social studies, as I mentioned, but also programs in criminal justice and legal studies, with criminal justice focusing more on policing and the court system, and legal studies focusing more on the law and actually helping to prepare students for possibly applying to law school. So other areas in the social sciences include actually a combined program in anthropology and sociology, if you're interested in studying other cultures or studying how people behave in groups more generally. Areas like anthropology and sociology are very complementary in that way. And we have a program that many of our professors in anthropology and sociology also contribute to called Women's and Gender Studies, which we offer as a minor at the college. The area I teach in, psychology, is a pretty popular major at the college, but we also have a program in human services, and so those two programs go together well. Students who major in psychology are often interested in maybe going on to graduate school to get a master's degree in an area like mental health counseling, social work, school counseling, school psychology, or getting a doctoral degree, maybe in clinical psychology or maybe in a research field in psychology. The program of human services is closely related and helps to prepare students for entry-level jobs with a bachelor's degree in many human services organizations. So students can pick among these different programs within the social sciences. One other area I should mention is political science, and students who are interested maybe in going into public service, whether they're interested in American government, American political institutions, or the area that complements political science is international studies. And for our students who are really interested in understanding better how organizations like the United Nations operate and how countries handle negotiations and policy at the global level, there are areas like that. Now, I kind of group these different programs together into little subgroups where they're most closely related, but we have seen students combine programs across all of these areas of the social sciences and also combine a social science major with a major in another area, such as biology or art or business, even nursing, which is one of the larger programs at the college. Some of our nursing majors pick up a second major in an area like psychology, for example. So if you have any questions about the social and behavioral sciences programs at Elmira College, feel free to contact me through email. My email is cterry, that's cterry, @elmira.edu, and I'd be happy to get back to you and answer questions that you may have or get you in touch with a faculty member in one of those areas who can answer more specific questions about programs like American Studies, history, social studies, criminal justice, legal studies, psychology, human services, anthropology, sociology, women's and gender studies, political science, and international studies. Thanks for watching.